Hello, welcome to Automotive Transmission Design course at papergear.io. Have you ever thought of turning your own ideas into reality? Who knows, a merry idea that strikes for a few seconds into your mind could change the modern technology, could be a source of new innovation. But the prior question that comes to everyone's mind is how? How could you turn a simple imagination into reality? Here comes the new technology, Autodesk Fusion 360, a software that has the ability to create a 3D realistic model from one's imagination. As we move further, many questions arises on your mind, like how to use this software. Though I am very fond of new technologies and want to be a part of new startup or a global giant company, but where to start from? And could I also be able to learn and use this level of software? Well, there's no need to worry anymore. With our online courses at papergear.io, we provide a platform where not only professionals but also beginners can create his or her own model and could become the next design expert. And by practice, we believe that you could easily land your dream company. In this course, you will learn how to design a 3D model, detailed knowledge over Autodesk Fusion 360, create industry-based projects. By the end of this course, you will be able to demonstrate good design skills and be market ready, making you stand out from the crowd. The certificate we provide will easily boost up your resume and make you noticeable within various companies. Hi, this is Tamal Datta. I am a professional product engineer and I will be your instructor for this course. So come, let's connect with us over this design journey.